So he basically is saying that you really don't have a right to control his image and anything like that because he died without a will. There was no agreement. There was nothing in writing what I can do the image, what I could do with the image, and what I can't do with the image. And so the estate, he's saying, had no right to try to stop him. They've really been fighting on and off about this for a long time. Leon and his business partner have brought a claim against the estate's argument that they are the sole source of Jimi Hendrix products, as it gives a false impression that, there's other products out there that who knows where they originated from, but they're out there. So they can't be the only one controlling this. And, basically Leon says he is the absolutely closest living relative to Jimi Hendrix, both in terms of blood and relationship, and saying that, it's really the reason why he's doing all these lawsuits is that he wants his nieces, Jimi Hendrix nieces and nephews, to benefit from his legacy as well. And he's just going to keep on fighting. So it's a shame. I think emotion plays a big part of this.
Yes.
And again, who knows why, Leon was disinherited. I'm not sure, but goodness gracious.
I know. And I agree with him. Let's talk about this because I agree with him as to, had the father not been around, his blood relatives, not the stepsister, not stepsister was supposed to be, So the fact that he
adopted, so that's fine.
Right?
But I get what he's saying. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Why is it that, father was able to take it out of the family?
Yeah.
Instead of saying, well, this was Jimmy, his brother is Leon. If I weren't around, it would have gone to Leon. And if Leon had any other siblings, the actual blood siblings, it would have gone to them. But somehow dad decided to put somebody else in there. So I think that, dad shouldn't have had that. But then again, that's not how the law works, unfortunately.
Right.
But from an equity perspective, that would be my argument. And I think I agree with him. So
yeah, me too. Just looking at how this was set up.
Yeah.
So I hope someone said, so he's going to fight this. That. I don't know. I mean, the idea, so he'll be okay with this, right? He'll be fine. I'm sure. This is how